SmartCert allows you the opportunity to merge PDFs into one cert package. This will be helpful if you receive multiple certs from multiple suppliers and want to create one cert package to represent a part in your inventory or the certs for a particular shipment. In this example, I'm going to start on my received dashboard. I've received an inspection report, which I've already approved. I'll click the merge into others because I already have an existing SmartCert for the rest of the certs for this particular part. I'll search by my lot number and I'll pull up my SmartCert here. I already have my mill cert heat treat and I'm now going to merge over the inspection report. From here, I have the opportunity to merge them into one PDF. Starting with the pages I want to select first, I'll click on each of the documents I want included, and I will merge and replace them into a single PDF. When I review this, I'll see that my certs are all included, and I have bookmarking to notate each certificate within my cert package. If I want to organize the pages, you can click on the icon and rotate the documents for whatever page selection and organization makes sense. I also have the opportunity to rename the cert package for a specific part or lot or whatever information in your naming convention that makes sense for you. When you click save, all of those steps will be saved into a single PDF and the SmartCert is ready for use.